What happens after a trademark intent to use NOA? Imagine you've just submitted a trademark application with an intent to use basis and received a notice of allowance. What's next? Well, this is a key moment in turning your idea into a registered trademark. The Notice of Allowance, or NOA, means the United States Patent and Trademark Office has given you the green light, but there are still steps to complete before your mark becomes official. First, you need to file a statement of use within 6 months of the NOA date. This document proves you are actually using your trademark in commerce with the goods or services listed in your application. To do this, you will include specimens showing how your mark appears in the marketplace, like product labels, packaging, or advertisements. You also have to pay a fee, which is typically around $125 per class of goods or services. If your mark isn't yet in use on all the goods or services listed, you have options. You can choose to delete those items from your application or split them into a separate application. This way, you can focus on the parts you are already using in commerce. Now, what if you're not ready to file the statement of use within 6 months? No worries. The USPTO allows you to request extensions. You can ask for up to 5 extensions, each lasting 6 months. This means you could have up to 3 years from the NOA date to file your proof of use. Each extension costs $125 per class and requires a verified statement that you still plan to use the mark in commerce. To get the extension, you must file your request before the initial 6-month period ends. If you do, you then have 1 year from the NOA date to submit your statement of use. If you miss these deadlines, your application will be abandoned and you will need to start over. Once you submit your statement of use with proper specimens and fees, a USPTO examining attorney reviews your submission. If everything looks good and there are no issues, they will approve your proof. After approval, the USPTO will register your trademark and send you a registration certificate, usually within about 2 months. It's very important to meet all deadlines for filing the statement of use or extension requests. Missing these deadlines means losing your application rights, which can be costly and time-consuming to recover. After registration, you will need to keep your trademark active by filing maintenance documents and paying fees at 5 to 6 years after registration, then every 10 years. In essence, after you get the Notice of Allowance, your goal is to show that your mark is being used in commerce. This step confirms your mark is active and helps keep the trademark register clean, making sure only marks actually in use are registered.